It's not about working more, it's about working smart.
Hey everyone, Kevin here. I've been in the IT game for 30 years. Yep, that's a long time. I've worked with software companies, airlines, big international firms, even the government. So I've seen it all. Personal computers taking off, the internet changing everything, mobile phones, apps, and now AI. It's wild how fast things are moving, right? Now I get it. AI might sound like some sort of a party trick, or if you know anyone who has to write essays, a tool for cheating, especially if you're not a tech person. But here's the deal. AI is far more versatile and capable than that. With the right tools and resources, AI becomes a total game changer for businesses. The tricky part, AI is zooming ahead so fast. New models, new apps, new breakthroughs every day that even I have to hustle to keep up. So if you're a business owner, manager, or director and IT isn't your thing, it can feel like you're drowning in all this tech talk. How do you even start using AI to help your business? That's where I come in. On this channel, I'm breaking it all down for you, plain English, no geeky jargon. I'll show you how AI can slash your costs, make your day-to-day smoother, and even bring in more revenue. We're talking real examples, step-by-step guides, stuff you can try yourself if you're keen, or if it feels too tricky. No stress, we've got your back. Today, let's dive into something cool, the AI agents. You've probably heard of ChatGPT. It's awesome, right? You ask it stuff, it spits out answers, helps with research, drafts proposals, even fixes your grammar. But here's the catch. ChatGPT is like a brain with no arms or legs. It can think up great stuff, but you still got to do the legwork. Copy its output, paste it into a doc, tweak it, send it off. It's helpful, but it's not hands-on. The AI agents, they're a whole different beast. Picture a super smart personal assistant, but it's software, not a person. These agents can see what's going on in your business through data, emails, you name it, then figure out what needs doing and actually do it. Like, if a customer emails a basic question, an AI agent can reply, log it, and even follow up later. Or if your stock's running low, it can ping you, or even reorder automatically. It's like having a team member who's on 24/7, never messes up and doesn't need a coffee break. Here's a quick example from the tech world. There's this tool called Cursor. It's for coding, so it might sound niche, but stick with me. With ChatGPT, I'd ask for code, get it, then have to paste it into my project, run it and fix any hiccups myself. With Cursor, it's like the AI's my coding buddy. I tell it what I want, and it writes the code, saves it where it belongs, lets me run it, and even helps fix errors, all in one go. It's not just thinking, it's doing. All right, let's jump into a real example of how an AI agent works. I'm going to use a tool called Cursor. Don't worry if that sounds techy. I'll keep it simple. So here's what I'm doing. I'll open Cursor for you. Now, I'm creating a new folder called Python Demo. Python's just a coding language. Don't stress if that's not your thing. The point here is to show you how an AI agent gets stuff done. Next, I switch back to Cursor and open that folder. Here's where it gets cool. I type this prompt, write a Python application to generate a simple invoice for a small business. Use the Report Lab library. Prompt the user for client name, amount, and invoice number. Create a file with a header, client details, and total amount. Include a main function, comments, and error handling for file creation. Save the script as invoice generator. Provide instruction to install Report Lab. And bam, Cursor generates the code. saves it as invoice generator in my folder, and even shows instructions on how to run it, all in one go. On the right, there's a little guide explaining the code, but I'll keep this practical. I hit accept, and now I can follow those steps. First up, I need to install Report Lab. It's a Python library for making PDFs. I just click Run in Cursor, and it sorts it out. Now, I run the code. It asks me for some details. Client name, I'll type test client. Invoice amount, let's go with $800. Invoice number, INV25-01. Hit enter, and boom, it whips up a PDF invoice. I open it, and there it is, a header, client details, total amount, all neat and tidy. That's an AI agent in action, taking my instructions, writing the code, and making it happen, no mucking around. Now, you might be like, Kevin, I'm not a coder. How's this help me? Fair call. The beauty of AI agents is they can be custom built for your business, no matter your industry, retail, hospitality, manufacturing, services, you name it. Imagine an AI hooked up to your email, calendar, CRM, or finance system like Xero, which I'll cover next time. It could handle customer questions, book meetings based on your schedule, crunch your sales numbers, or flag low stock. It's like an extra pair of hands that never clocks off. The payoff, massive. AI agents can save you time, cut out mistakes, and let you focus on growing your business. And the best bit, you don't need to be a tech guru to use them. That's what this channel's all about, showing you practical ways to make AI work for you. Oh, and heads up, I'm kicking off a community for Aussie business owners, managers, directors, and AI fans. We'll chat online and offline, swap ideas, and cook up AI solutions that fit your industry. When we team up, awesome stuff happens. So stick around. Next video, I'll show you how to link AI with Xero, your finance system. It's gonna blow your mind how much easier it makes things. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next time.